Hello everyone, welcome back to Lantu a Bike channel. Revolutionize your ride with our cutting-edge electric bicycle, where power meets personal style. Meet our flagship model, dressed in striking two-tone red and black that commands attention on every road. Harnessing a robust 2,000-watt high-torque motor, this e-bike conquers hills with ease and delivers exhilarating acceleration that leaves conventional bikes behind. Powered by a high-capacity 60-volt 20-amp-hour lithium battery, enjoy extended adventures and reliable range on a single charge. Command all terrains with confidence using our 26 by 4.0-inch fat tires, providing exceptional stability and shock absorption. Our signature iridescent color-shifting disc brakes aren't just eye-catching, they deliver precision stopping power in all conditions. As a dedicated electric bicycle manufacturer, we offer complete OEM/ODM solutions. Custom color combinations to match your brand. Tailored component packages for different markets. Private label services. Whether for urban commuting, off-road adventures, or eco-friendly delivery solutions, our customizable e-bikes adapt to your vision. From individual riders to fleet operators, we engineer possibilities. Spark your electric bikes business today. Visit our website to start designing your perfect e-bike solution.